Welcome to VRZone Reviews. Last time, we took a look at how the P40 Pro stacked up against similar offerings from Apple and Samsung. But now, we'll take a deep dive into the P40 Pro Plus, Huawei's top smartphone in 2020 right now. Compared to the non-Plus P40, Huawei's flagship boasts a few additional refinements over an already impressive phone. This comes in the form of an extra 8MP super zoom periscope camera, a ceramic back, and 40 watts of fast wireless charging. In almost every other regard, these two devices are identical. They've got the same 90Hz OLED display and the same super fast Kirin 990 5G chipset that dominated especially in terms of GPU performance. This means you can look forward to some excellent gaming and serious multitasking with your daily driver. Both Plus and non-Plus models have periscope cameras, but the premium version gives you an extra 3x and 10x zoom levels compared to the 5x zoom on the P40 Pro. This will give you better resolution between focal lengths and also allows for the crazy 100x zoom, double that of the P40 Pro. Despite what you hear on the news, Huawei still runs Android on their phones. With their EMUI user interface constantly improving, usage will be second nature whether you're coming from a Huawei device or another Android phone. When it comes to apps, you don't have to worry at all. Right from the get-go, Huawei's phone clone ports over your contacts, data, files, and most importantly, your apps. Whether you're coming over from Android or iOS, you hit the ground running with your new Huawei phone, automatically filled with your essential software. Once you're already set up, you can search for additional apps on the Huawei App Gallery. You'll find a growing list of secure banking and finance apps like DBS and Standard Chartered, shopping platforms like Lazada and Shopee, and transport and social apps like ComfortDelGro and TikTok. The third method is Huawei's rapidly growing Petal Search, which allows you to find, download, and install any app you can imagine. Social media, AAA mobile games, essential local apps, and entertainment. In total, there are over 1 million apps on this platform. During app installation, your phone will scan the contents of the APK files for security and for your peace of mind. In addition to apps, Petal Search also provides a reliable news feed and search engine as a true one-stop portal to supercharge your Huawei P40 Pro Plus. With a wide range of apps and services available on your Huawei phone, it's easy to find options that are actually better than stock Android apps. For example, HereWeGo offers navigation within the different levels of almost all malls in Singapore. In using the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, I've enjoyed its best-in-class camera and next-level performance while having the freedom to explore and discover the possibilities my personal device can offer me. We're VRZone, and thank you for watching.